win the war against coronavirus, you need two elements. Attack. Sanitize your hands frequently to kill the coronavirus. Defense. Wear a mask to defend yourself from getting infected from the virus. Similarly, your portfolio requires both the elements of attack and defense. Equity can provide the element of attack by fighting the virus of inflation, while debt can help you to defend your portfolio from the attack of market volatility. Dynamic Asset Allocation Funds, also known as Balance Advantage Funds, provides you the element of attack and defense both by investing in equity and debt both, and is managed dynamically. The proportion of equity and debt is frequently rebalanced based on predefined market valuation parameters. Simply put, when the equity market is cheaper, they invest more in equity, and when the equity market is costlier, they invest more into debt and arbitrage to offer the downside protection. Most of these funds offer equity taxation by maintaining a minimum of 65% allocation in equity and arbitrage put together. If you want to earn returns from equity investments but also want to stay guarded against market risks, then Dynamic Asset Allocation Funds, also known as Balanced Advantage Fund, is the right choice for you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.